Hello, my name is Ali Raza and I run a Google partner company, and I have a team of dedicated professionals along with me, and we provide Google Merchant Center, restoration, suspension, Google Ads distribution, suspension, management, Google Shopping management, Bing Ad suspension. We also help with Shopify as well. So in case if you need us to create your Shopify website, we can help you. And now in this video, I'm going to discuss one of the most common error, which people get when they are trying to resolve the Google Merchant Center account is how to remove your placeholder. So in this video, I'm going to discuss regarding how you can remove your placeholder on Shopify to get your Merchant Center account approved. Now, this is one of the reasons for getting your Merchant Center account suspended. Not all the reason, but one of the reasons. So this video was collaborated along with my own developer. So we own the copyright. So do not worry with this. So now I'm going to show you how we can get it. We can get the placeholder removed. So now, for instance, this is the main website. What we have to do is we have to move. First of all, look around where the placeholder error is, and we can check around source code on your website. We can check it on the Chrome as well on where is the placeholder. You can see over here the placeholder is on the search mark. You can see over here that we found in the search field where the placeholder error is. Now we can use the search button to see where all of the placeholder errors are being present on the website. To get it restored. So now you can see over here that it is being found in the field, and now we can also check on the website as well to get it removed on where it is being presented. Now in the Shopify theme center, I'm going to show you. You have to go to your online store, you have to look around for your themes, and you can see edit default theme content, and then filter item over here by writing. So you can search this system to find out where the placeholder error is. So we are going to write the word placeholder error over here, and we can search that through that as well. Now you can see over here that the placeholder error is no longer available over here. So now you can see over here, sometimes what happens is there is a blank space on the search icon which is causing this. So in this video we can see over here that we have removed it on the search icon as well. So this can be a way through which you can remove your placeholder issue as well, and you can also look around and get it manually removed through the coding error as well. However, that can cause your theme to be not in a mode of not working. So now you can use this to get your placeholder being removed.